Hello, welcome to Chawla's kitchen. Shh, Ritvik is sleeping. For those of you who don't know Ritvik is our son who is going to turn 2 today, and we have to make a cake for him. Surprise cake, better ingredients, delicious and quick. And Ritvik should say yum yum yum. Hang on. If you're wondering what I'm doing here are the chocolates. We are doing double celebration today. Not because he has turned 2. One reason, his second birthday. Another reason, because of you, we have 5,000 subscribers and almost 1 million views. Thank you so much. And I have done my introduction. Aarti, come here and make the cake, please. No loud response. That means she's going to do it. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. We really appreciate that. And stay tuned. We are coming up with more authentic and smart recipes. Hang tight.
So here are my ingredients. Here goes all-purpose flour, around 1 and a 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, half cup of fruit cake mix. This is called Tutti Frutti also, and around a 1/4 cup of melted butter, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Then I have a zest of orange, then a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's get started. I have a bowl ready over here. On this bowl, I have put sugar, a cup of sugar in it. Here goes butter. So here goes the water, a cup of water. Let's mix this well first. And along with this, I am putting this fruit cake mix. So mix this well with the spatula. It's almost mixed actually. This was a powdered sugar. So here goes orange zest. Why we add orange zest, or you can put lemon zest, because this adds a good flavor to the cake. And now here goes my maida, baking powder and baking soda. So mix this well again. Here goes the vanilla essence. So this should be the consistency of our cake. And I have mixed it well. There are no lumps. So I am going to pour in my baking pan over here. Just you can use a parchment paper. You can use I'm just gonna spray a cooking spray on it. This helps. And let me pour some butter on the bottom so that our cake batter doesn't stick on the bottom. And as I'm using a countertop oven, I'm not gonna preheat. So here I have poured the batter in this pan. So just pat it so that my mixture doesn't form any bubbles on the top. And now I'm going to put it in a countertop oven for 35 to 40 minutes on 350 degree and then Fahrenheit, and we'll check back. So here, this beautiful cake, this is just out of the oven after 35 minutes. And as you can see, I just put this knife in it and it's coming out clean. So that means it's done. So I have just put it on a cooling rack and I'll give it like 10-15 minutes to get it cool down. Then I'll show you the results. And we will sprinkle up some Tutti Frutti on the top and it will be awesome cake. So here is my fruit cake ready. Why I made fruit cake? Because this little guy, he's a Tutti Frutti guy. He loves this cake, so that's the reason on his birthday we are gonna cut this cake. So wish him a very happy birthday, guys. So here we go.
Look there, Ricky. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Ricky.
Happy birthday to you.
Would you like some cake? Good boy.
He's a cake guy.
Is it yum yum?
And mind it, guys, this is a real eggless recipe and your kids will love it too. And you can give it as a bread cake, fruit and nut cake, which we get in India anytime, and it's really easy to make. So go through my recipe again and wish him luck. And thank you so much for watching. And let's finish this cake first.
Bye
Bye-bye.
Thank you.